This is Matt, these are his keys, and this is his house. Looks good though. That looks unreal, doesn't it? But you never thought that you'd ever have to get into your house through a padlock.
Devalue the price of the house.
I feel like this is your version of cutting the bow. What? What were your first thoughts when you came in the first time? Because this is only the second time you've seen
Sorry,
it.
the second time I've seen it. So much potential, but also a lot of work.
Yeah,
so
tell me about it. That is going to look unbelievable.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. Should we have a look around? This is unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're still forgetting the fact that all of this open space here that you've got out the front as well.
Yeah.
I mean, what could you do with that? I mean, there's a big driveway there, or even an extension or something like that. This is, oh wow.
Yeah.
And you actually got a sea view?
It's there.
Come and look at this. That's mental. That is so cool.
Feels weird doing a viewing when I actually own it. It's so.
Yeah, it's weird. So is this your first house, or not just your first investment, it's your first house that you've ever bought?
I still rent personally, and yeah, this is the first project.
So not a lot of people can say that this would be their first time buying.
No.
That's cool though, that is so cool.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. But yeah, it's already all stripped back.
Yeah, it's basically just back to brick already.
Back to brick, yeah. So it's ready for the builders to straight away get in.
Show me more then, Matt, show me more.
So, another bedroom here. Nice bedroom, nice big window.
Very jealous right now, but now you've done well.
I like it.
You've done very well. Just one room after the next, it's just...
Just about your bathroom, because obviously I would think it's because you've got the plumbing there, look.
Yeah.
So this could be...
This would be way too big for a bathroom. If you're looking for a HMO, at the end of the day, you want as many sort of rooms as possible, don't you?
Obviously you've got
Or
the infrastructure.
ensuite. So you could have this as a bedroom with an ensuite. Because that'd be big enough, just partition it up here.
Yeah, you could easily do an ensuite.
You've got the bed there, ensuite there. Definitely, you've got the room for it anyways. I think that's the maddest thing about this house. There is so many options.
It's certainly not a straightforward one, which is
it's
great.
just...
And also, it is intimidating, but like it's exciting. So you got covered that bedroom. Another one here is similar.
Yep. This is
size.
big, isn't it? Wow.
Great size, easy.
That's the thing, it's not just like one or two good sizes and then all the rest are tiny. It's like, they're massive bedrooms.
Yeah, already just needs plastering and carpeting and obviously ceiling and
Yeah.
bits and bobs. So yeah, again, this could be obviously another bedroom, or you could link it to here, or
Definitely.
I think this is just a straightforward bedroom, one of the smaller ones, but still a good size.
This house is so big, we're going to need an entire video just to run through the renovation costs and what's actually going to need doing to the
I
place.
haven't seen this view here, but okay, so this is the garden. I've not seen. It's the first time I've seen the back garden.
Still got a sea view though, like I can just see it just in between these two houses. Still got a sea view.
Advertised.
Well, the thing is as well is even if you wanted to, because it's nice to have like a communal garden. I keep basing it as
for like
if it's going to be a HMO, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So to have that sort of space, you're going to get things like smokers, stuff like that. If you wanted to, you could even extend there. I don't know if you want to because
Or make it even bigger.
it's already big enough. But after you then, Matt, show us the rest of the house because there's still more to this house. That's mental.
This room is my personal favourite, but I think a lot of people will also really like what's up here because it's.
Oh,
what's up
okay,
here
cool.
It's different, but it's extra special. So.
Wow, okay, that's exciting. What on earth is this?
It's a lot bigger than you think, like the attic, and you can make this into whatever you want, really. So there's two ways of going about this. So like you could make it just one really nice room with an ensuite, with space. Realistically, I think there's probably be 2 rooms.
Yeah, I think when it comes to this sort of decision making, you've got to try and think about your target audience then. So are people in this area going to be able to afford, because this is like next level. If this was all to be 1 bedroom, is somebody going to be able to afford that, or is it just going to be void? So if you could split it up into 2 really nice bedrooms, because the target audience would obviously match that a little bit more, I think that's probably your better option.
I completely agree. I think, if this would only be viable to make a nice room if you were making it into like an Airbnb.
Yeah.
Or
which again is another option though.
Exactly.
So you've got Airbnb, you've got HMO, You could easily turn this into flats.
Yeah.
So this could in itself be its own flat, self-contained flat. You could lease it out as a commercial building to somebody.
So
you
really
could sell it on
Yeah.
as whatever you choose to do it as. There's just, because you've got 5 options there that we mentioned, until you pick an option that you want to run with. So you've not really either got a kind of budget for this yet at the minute, have you? You're kind of just thinking whatever it costs to do to that.
I've just given this an open budget, obviously to an extent, but like that's what this house is all about. It's so open to whatever you want to do with it. So I said, right, this house deserves, you know, an open budget. And
of course.
From there, you can really build it to what it needs to be. See what the builders say, and see what, you know, getting different bits of advice, obviously from the property circle, from the people, and come to a decision, and then see what it costs, really, and then just
That's
run
it.
from there.
So just quickly then, guys, to give you a bit of an indication as to what the prices on this street and in this area are going for currently, we'll have a look around here. We've got 2 properties up for sale right now, and just behind you now, Doona, you've got here, which is a 3-bedroom detached. This one is on for sale now for £165,000. Just here, that doesn't look like in the best condition, does it? We've got a house for sale here. It's being sold as either a 2-bed semi for 120 or 2 flats, 60k each. That gives you a bit of an indication as to what the sort of prices are going for around here. Just took us literally like 20 minutes just to get out of that house. But yeah, so in terms of the numbers then, Matt, on this house, do you want to quickly walk us through and talk us through?
Yeah, so picked it up for 97.5k.
Yep.
This was post-auction, so it wasn't...
For a 9-bedroom house? 9-bedroom house?
Yeah, 9-bedroom house.
Okay,
yeah, so this,
nice.
It fell through auction, so it was a really great buy. In terms of refurb, it's very much an open-ended budget, like I said earlier, but realistically, it's going to be between 40 and 60. You can even spend more easily.
Yeah.
It just depends on what you want to make it. And then end value, we're looking for at least 190.
Nice.
But again, if you spend a bit more money, that can go a long way in this property.
Well, even that, and then even if you were looking at a commercial valuation,
Yeah.
it could, it's like you say, it's how long's a piece of string?
Yeah, for example, if we do a HMO, if there's 8 or 9 bedrooms, we're looking at around £90 per week.
Yep.
That's the rates in this particular place.
Okay, cool. So you've done your research prior to coming out then, so you already know.
For
Brilliant.
a similar sort of... You know,
I mean, there's nothing like this, but as much research as you can possibly do.
Exactly.
What sort of timescale are you looking at then for?
Time scale, again, depending on the builder's team, you know, if we're lucky 4 months, but realistically, I think 4 to 6 months.
Yeah.
And again, just leave that as an open-ended, because if it does go over, then it does go over.
Well, I mean, we're going to get Mark to come and take a look. Mark is the builder that Steve and Isabella use for all of their projects. It's the builder that we recommend, obviously, within the property circle. He will smash this job like there's no tomorrow. So it will be really interesting to see sort of what timescale he says, what kind of budget he mentions.
You know, obviously, I knew that this was going to be a good investment.
Yeah.
And so now, you know, we've got the house.
Yep, of course.
The builders in now, we've actually just got to do it.
Yep, that's it.
And see where we go.
So, yeah, guys, you can probably see from this house it is unreal. But if you guys want to get involved, definitely hit the link in the description below to join the property circle. We're definitely going to be here a lot sooner than we probably think, to keep you guys updated on the house, because I mean, if the work's going to start in the next few weeks, we're going to want to be here to see it. So yeah, and like, comment and subscribe to watch more videos just like this one, and hit that bell notification to know exactly when we update you about Matt's new purchase. Like, I'm looking at you. That's a lot of money. I can't even work that out. Doona, can you work that out? No. Building for the ceiling. This dog's foot. Oh man.